Very welcome to team. We are just entering into our ACI Solar Power Gujarat Private Limited 25 megawatt plant, which has been located in Charanka village, Taluka Santalpur, and Gujarat site. This is our main gate. This is our one of security cabin at main control gate. This is how our security cabin looks inside, where all those fire extinguishers, first aid box, fireballs has been kept here. All those register which has been maintained by our security guards. This is our plant layout, and these are the policies, visitor instruction. Whenever any visitors will come, our team is explained all those instruction that what needs to be followed during your visit. This is our policy, and this is the way from our main gate to MCR room. This is how our MCR is looking from outside area. Outside of this MCR room, we are having all those fire extinguishers, fire buckets, dustbins from hazardous and non-hazardous waste materials, oil spill kits for used oil drums. All these signages has also been there. This is our emergency contact number. Now this is our monitoring room where we are monitoring our complete operation of this plant. All those necessary instruction has been placed in this room also. This is asset value creation chart. Also we are having one of the notice boards, so all the necessary information which needs to be shared by team has been kept here. Now this is a store room where we are having all those spare material for our operation activity. It includes all equipments related materials like transformers, inverters, CT, PT, ACBs, breakers. So all those materials which is related to our operation part has been kept here. This is our control room where this our switchyard controlling has been there. In this room only we are having a control relay panels and seats meter. From here we are taking all those energy numbers. We are also having one tool room. In this room we are having all those tools which has been used by our site technician and engineers to operate this plant, and also some of spare PPs also kept here, like earth rods, materials, jackets, etc. This is our measuring equipments, clamp meter, multimeters, earth resistance kit, all those things. Here we are having all those lotto equipments, lotto kit, fire extinguishers, blankets, all those things. Also we are having first aid kit in this room. This is our complete 11 kV ST panel room, where all the high voltage panels located here. You can clearly see that how much panels we are having. Around 12 panels we are having in this block, which has been directly connected to, with the individual blocks of the inverter room. From here our switch yard has been started. In this all the auxiliary transformer is there, main transformer is also here, which rating is 15 MVA. Two transformer we are having for line 1 and line 2. So from here to Jetco substation we are fetching power up to 66 kV. So in this switch yard we have locked all those gates to uneven restricted employees. This is spare modules stand, where we have kept all those modules safely. Now this is outer periphery of our main control room, where you can see all those room related to pantries, puja room is there, guest house, one of the conference room, induction room, and site office. This is our conference room and come induction, where we are giving all those induction activities, safety related trainings, anything which has been related to operation of the plant. We are giving all those training here in this room. This is just a small site office, where our site in charge doing all those monitoring on all those activity from here. This is plantation done by our site team besides porta cabins, so it is also looking very nice for the environment. Now we are entering into our PV field area. This area is directly related to C1 block. So totally we are having 12 numbers of block in the PV area, out of which this is just related to C1. The total capacity of one block is around 2.5 megawatt. You can clearly see one of the structure of block C1, where we are having all the inverters. So same like this we are having almost 11 blocks in this PV area. This is our one of AJB, array junction box. From here all those strings has been connected, and from here to inverter room one of the 120 square mm DC cable has been going to inverter area. This is internal roads of our plant. Now we are coming into the robotic cleaning section. Here we are having around 6.2 megawatt robotic cleaning, which has been a dry type. We are not using any water into this block. This is complete section of robotic cleaning. Here we are having in each row we are having separate robot, which is directly automatically monitored by site supervisors. This is boundary fence area of our plant. You can clearly see that how much modules has been just located here. This is also one of PV area which has been related to A1 block. This is one of emergency assembly point in the midway of our plant. If any emergency will come, then immediately team needs to be here after some emergency fire alarm. You can clearly see that this is the midway of our plant section, so you can see all those area on a single place. This is outer view of one of the block. It is A5 block. In front of this block also we are having another block which is A2 block we are mentioning here. Now we are entering into our A5 block. In this block you can clearly see how much inverters we are having. So total around 4 inverters we are having into this block. The capacity of each inverter is 500 kilowatt, and we are also having ST panels, LT panels, PDP panel, LBS. So we are having 4 LT panels which has been directly connected with this inverter to 320 volt AC supply, and this is our one of LBS which is directly related to another block. From here to there we are fetching 11 kV supply. This is a front view of one of the inverter. These are LT panels in which we are having ACBs. The rating is 1250 amperes and 2500 amperes. AC supply is controlling from these panels, and these panels are directly connected with our inverter duty transformer which has been kept outside. This is our inverter duty transformer. Rating of this transformer is 2.5 MVA for the individual blocks. From here we are just converting our power from 320 volt AC to 11 kV, which has been directly fetching from here to our main control room, where you have already seen our ST panels. Now this is complete outer view of our plant. You can clearly see that how much blocks we are having in midway of this PV area. This is complete outlook of our plant. This is emergency assembly point. So thank you team for watching this video.